that good?
Dad, you broke it. No,
I don't want it. I don't want it. Your hands are nasty.
There's stuff in my shirt.
What's in your shirt?
Ah! It's ice in your shirt!
What is?
Ice.
Your ice went down your shirt?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Ah, he says.
You didn't find it? That's yours. How can you tell? They all look the same. There's a spider over there?
Yeah, you go. You go in the pink. What you doing is crazy. You go. Ah, me to move.
Them don't hurt you, remember? Remember, them don't hurt you. They make you hurt yourself, but they don't hurt you.
Crazy.
Go get it.
Get it. Go on.
You're wasting all your ice.
We're killing it. We're killing it.
You're not killing it. It's still right there.
I want to use some ice.
No, you shouldn't have wasted it all. Now you have to go over there and get it all. All the ice is nearly gone. You need to save some for Mom and Daddy's tea when they come back in. They'll be all hot and thirsty. They'll want some ice, and you are wasting it all.
No, we wasted.
You wasted it throwing it at that mosquito killer over there.
Because why did you go at people's house?
Huh?
Why did you go to people's house?
I don't know why they go in the house. Whoa, gosh.